Commercial water heating is essential to daily operations across countless industries, yet it's facing growing challenges. Behind every hot shower in a hotel, every sanitized dish in a restaurant, and every sterilized instrument in a hospital is a system working hard, often too hard to keep up.
There are several challenges that the industry is facing with commercial water heating today. We're phasing out gas and going to electrification. The impacts of that on the grid are tremendous. There's a lack of workforce readiness, and there's a bunch of regulatory compliance issues and obstacles to navigate. What we are doing is embracing the push to electrification and innovating on the various products that are offered today here in the market.
Founded on providing good customer service and quality products, Heat Transfer Equipment Company, Inc. has been serving the HVAC and plumbing industry for over 50 years and has been developing next-generation heat transfer solutions in the form of skid packages for over 30 years.
Andy Chiari was the founder of Heat Transfer Equipment Company back in 1967. He had a passion for mechanical systems and wanting to provide good customer service and quality products. Amidst decarbonization policy, workforce readiness, the impacts of electrification on the grid, Heat Transfer has sought new technologies to incorporate into its packaged systems and to provide build contractors here in the area. We want to be able to provide our customers with a turnkey solution. We want that turnkey solution to be of a high quality. Whenever possible, we want all of our components within our systems to be domestically sourced here out of the USA. Anytime that there is a boost in energy efficiency or a means to achieve a process, in this case domestic water heating, like that evolution and that advancement in engineering is green tech.
We really go the extra mile to make sure that everything is as absolutely perfect as possible. That is probably the number one culture aspect of Htec Packaged Systems and Controls. This is Htec's new headquarters, purposely designed for what we do here in manufacturing. We were brought in on an opportunity to save a basis of design system that would not fit in the square footage allocated for the building. At Uber's new headquarters on 3rd Street in San Francisco, it was the first district scale to abide by San Francisco Health Department Article 12C, and it all fit within the space allocated for the equipment that was required to meet the regulation.
While the challenges are real, so are the solutions.
The Medusa PCM integrated heat pump is a water heater. It's an electric water heater with an air source heat pump and thermal storage. It is different from the conventional way of heat pump water heating in the sense that we utilize thermal batteries rather than storage tanks.
The Medusa is the very first commercial air-to-water heat pump for domestic water that is using phase change material. With that, we are able to eliminate hot water storage tanks. Our controls provide a building management system that can send information to a customer so that they can be proactive instead of reactive in regards to a situation that might arise.
PCM stands for phase change materials, and this is a far more energy dense solution that creates an optimized thermal battery. Essentially, in our application, we're able to store not only sensible heat, which is what you would store in a thermal battery using hot water tanks, but we're able to store both sensible heat and latent heat, right? We're taking the material from a solid to a liquid and vice versa, which really provides a more efficient thermal battery, but allows us to reduce the footprint as well. Anything that needs hot water at the fixtures, the Medusa is a great solution for.
In the midst of regulatory changes, the phasing out of gas and the transition to electric means of water heating, it became evident that we needed to create a system that was plug and play. The materials used in the thermal batteries are all completely recyclable and environmentally friendly, as well as the refrigerant utilized in the air source heat pump. It's got a low global warming potential.
As the demand for energy efficiency and sustainability continues to grow, Heat Transfer Equipment Company must rise to meet it.
We are always seeking out the latest and greatest technologies, but also really putting a lot of effort in R&D behind vetting those technologies so we can still provide an unmatched quality while supporting the product, knowing that it's going to be reliable but still being competitive. We really strive to fit the design of the building in as precise a manner as possible so that we are not giving any more or any less than exactly what is required of the envelope of that project. So we can still provide an unmatched quality and craftsmanship while supporting the product, knowing that it's going to be reliable, but still being competitive.
What actually brought us into manufacturing ourselves and building this type of product was we were always dissatisfied with some of the vendors or some of the manufacturers that we had worked with previously that built packages for us that didn't quite meet to the standards that we set for ourselves. We want to make sure that when we're producing a product, it is of the best and utmost quality. We have definitely achieved that, and what we want to do is expand on that to the rest of the industry. With the Medusa, we've addressed domestic hot water. We are now moving into different products for the industry to achieve, like this behind us is the first heat pump boiler system that's going to be put onto a package, where we're getting a grant from the state of California to have it tested and verified on the performance and how this is going to be changing. So we're now not only doing domestic water, we're going to be getting into the hydronic heating aspect of this industry as well.
Whether it's gas, electric, or anything else, if we can keep pushing and remain competitive with other companies, then we're all collectively going to find better ways to do things.
For more information about Heat Transfer Equipment Company, visit their website, htecompany.com. And of course, visit our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com.